Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been stuck trying to figure out how to get a refund from QuickBooks Online, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can request a QuickBooks Online refund in under 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or just managing your own books, this guide will walk you through everything, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official QuickBooks website. Click Sign In and log in using your registered email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your main QuickBooks dashboard. Next, move your eyes to the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo or initials. Click on it and then select Manage your Intuit account. This takes you straight to your Intuit account settings, where all your subscription and billing info lives. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Products and Billing. This is where you can view your active subscriptions. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the option labeled Request or Track a Refund. Go ahead and click that. This is where the real magic happens. Once you're on the refund page, click the Intuit refund link. You'll need to search for your specific QuickBooks product, like QuickBooks Online, Simple Start, Plus, or Advanced, and then enter your order number. You can find that in the confirmation email Intuit sent you when you first subscribed. Next, enter the same email address you used for your purchase, then click Find My Order Details. Once your order appears, carefully review everything on screen. Double check your subscription details and refund reason if prompted. After confirming, simply hit Submit. Now just sit tight. QuickBooks will send a confirmation email once your refund request is received. Typically, refunds are processed within a few business days, but make sure to keep that confirmation email for your records. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your QuickBooks Online refund request. No phone calls, no confusion, and no wasted time. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks and small business tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover how to cancel your QuickBooks subscription next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.